Omi Mompae. Aja to me bru to me nyina so. Ani monyama ni kabia de de ma wo na nwumri. Wado yenti bere bia me kasa nti ne atiase. Wakora ye mamubro hunu no ase asubi. To go mu se betima ya betima be trafidi ani mu ha. Ne de won sam be famfam mo makwa na Owurade wadum ntra. Bompa da wase e ni be bebre na mo sam hyehyɛ. Eso ho mbobro nti korokora nti manya adwuma. Owurade do ma fritete. Wi yesie yi. Na obi so ntimi ye biribi iso de free frama na nsa. Timi srobra e da wase. Na de ho so sawo nsa. Nyankopɔn be srasa bra wo nsam be kɔ no. Obi a o twensam yi no wani munyam no hohom e be ka no. Okira bia na dwere sɛ. Boni ma no de obetena Awurade be srawo fa wo nsa kan. So obi a na dwere sɛ. Ɔno de ne bra no so sakra be srawo. Awurade fa wo nsa kan. Ayumre di pa kwa ni di pa mmere eni yensam. Ko huma bro ni wato ya no. Eso ne ye ho ato. Ye di tiaso. Besrawo. Moses bompa ese Awurade ba ni hunu ni nano dodo aka. Wo hunu ni nano dodo aka. Obi nkanya nsasam nkyira no ma ne nsakra. Eni obi na betra tiamu akyira no amana fa Yesu. Ono akasa hu se tena wo bewu. Anase be kana nu na nansa ama ne nkwafiri ne nsa. Eni obi na betra nsa on fa Awurade. Yesu misrawo. Eya udimu ni akaso. Ye be pija senu na tredom te be srasa. Wo beti be bia senu ya so plain ya tredipa. Bo ma huna mani huna be fa mu. Bra wo be bra ya. Wo nsem da doa. Ade te bia wo ko mu a. Wo do ho ba for de ma wiase. Ya wo tare ni sa. Wo dane dom e bia ba bi sakra. Misrawo ade. Emu obi antre sabu izan ko trouble ni mu da srew. Wo sabe ko mi srafa so buye ni. Ko nsa ni ya sawe. Tutu ni ya jamansam. Ko mfo nya ni emawia. Awara sai ni so nya awara sai ho aduma onya yi. Wo de mi srew. Ye bra duro yi. So obi sa tu ni nkwa bia shada. Undani panamo. Sebeya biye bonsam taso tram. Buya sama mo so tram. Wo hu na wiye de okọ. Wo ade bisrawo nipa edi boni akinti, nipa ehuru wo mo da akinti, wo mo di boni akisa. Wo bo hu de mo ko wiya. Ko bi nkasa nkyerɛ wo mo. Awurade bisrawo kasa adumra yi. Man tomo sane mra wo nkyɛn na fa Jesus. Wo afɔre bona yakɔ. Da was so tie mi Awurade. With Jesus Christ to give unto. Amen. Look at some part. Ti do me answer. Ti temo aduonu nan. Look at some part. Ti do me answer. Ti temo aduonu nan kosi aduonu nso tie ni. Ba me fa free temo aduonu mienu nso. Luke chapter 13 verse 22 kosi 27. Na oni na mu nkuro. Emu ne nkuro ase. Church. Na on na munkro. Edi nkurase church. Tie Yesu. Asofo no mo amode madwena to krom. Dodo amonim se Nyankopon na frɛ mo. Na so mode manya to krom because na duane wo. Ana sikafo. Na benyi obi amana di sika kese ahya ewie kum abrewo. Dodo edom egu nkurase ehuna mane obi ti village baby radio ko woni bi sadi paro be ko bu nsam jemo on ten kwadi sabno na sabe point out play di tra so for ba wi ase now sha Nyankopɔn asapa kan ye kan nye ya funu nti plasam ni yo Yesu na munkuro eni nkurase Matra ko ba che mo mra nkurase villages mo me crusade akase ho asofo konkrofo ho asem na me kan nya asofo ko hwifo no You are somebody. A double human won't crash it. Now, there are going to go to my command. Me bold and crash it. Almost see Abraham as if for Nubia. Yes, or the moon crawling crash it. And all cast out the soft for me got 12 crash or back as one call. A diaminti or slow come. Women come to a semper. That's how about some Americans. That's how the children will now be very sad. Yankopon and Quadra or the American expiry date and that's all. The no one some number better. 20 minutes I was some what time and to Sabidia. Satam where the Mensacra, the Satam say the Massacre. We are saying your papa there, did you need Metro Sempa, Timmy and son? I mean, Chow will be our 4th year Yamia Juma and the Diania Woody. He said, Yammy Pana, small Sabra Juma, in Kuasan Obacco. Maybe a common walk Obacco. Otter. Maybe there no mission houses, but so many fun near load to more. That's a wood about 5 and what that on Coco. Bread pan will go on in Samana, Crabian County. A diamond torso. Now, Mosumi said, Tiauka heavy. So Sabra make us say, I make him for the one down. I can't come with something with a job here, Woodman, Abbey, and Yakra Woodman. A one never have a toe. You are suddenly. So there are some pack for me. You have brown classic, and then me, I would be a bowl of who come. The true baby are. Sabe, si ka de beto patro kam na wunya. Ya sam ni. E du ba bia kom. Yen kan sam ni na. Na so je binu manya kwaye didi. Wa de obi aka tu abebere no. Matthew chapter 3. Verse 1 echo. Was it the nanum no? Yohane suboni no. Aba be kan asem. Yudi asra so sa. Mo sakara madwen. Wo so ahini na ban. Dio verse 3. Na wo yi ene di odinfo Isaiah e kan ne ho asem sa. Obi ne atiam esra so sa. Mo siesie ruade kwan. Ya sare hu nkomo. Isaiah no ma say Yohane suboni hu nkom. Yohane suboni ye ni paketwa. Yesu say oso ahini nipa oba awo mo oso ahini de osa. What I say? Nipa ya oba wo de oso kese pa no e de Yohane suboni. Oje nipa ya sade hu nkom san wo ba. Isaiah no ma kasa fa no nsa no be bokwa ya ma Yesu aba. Sade pa yi wasabe gina ho tiemu ma Yesu. Ye hene dia ne odi. Ti asem ni yo. Wo boko boda wo tem. Sabu sisi wo ade kwai na mo ma Yesu atem pon tere. Sade ye tiemu kan. Sabu wa kwai tere o de wo ade beba. Ke verse 4 wo say enso. Wa wo say enso no. The word enso no. Ya sade hon kom enso no ho tere no. Ti asem ni yo. Wo boko kwai ma Yesu enso. Nti ensoro e ka sem bi ate testamo bo Yesu ho dawuro konkrom a yemfiu ti asem ni yi afọ nya sika ka shedi sisi adan cash to tonfidi egu bia bas bo recordance u penfidi akoboko bi so wunya ukosa uko haya nsem bebre ti asem ni yi e de betimi ye bena so ne ekọ Yohane suboni ya za no ma sere ho nkom. Wa beba bo Yesu ho dawuro. Wo yenya nkopɔ djuma no kurem. Wo so ahini the greatest person. Ya oba ne nipa oba ne pe ma wo no. The also kase and John the Baptist. Verse 4 enso. Wo ye kase o enso. Ya sere ho nkom enso. Wo be bo kwan na Yesu enso. Verse 4. Na Yohane yi efre yomantoma. Yoma nwi entoma sabra nan ta de papa o wati asema kana so sabra nan ta de papa e wo nso Yohane Suboni bɛdɛ wanya bi no kura ɔkantie no kura bɛkum na wie yɛ yɛkutwa ne ti afiase na ti twa ne ti firi so wiase mpa de pa o wiase mpa de pa kiye nkum Yesu ne nya aba na bakrofo no ye de Yesu abegyina de bana ba se begyina ho na ye nkum no Yesu nkum Yesu de ba yare osa yare no de ehia aduane o ma ye bidie no de obe ye bebo na se nua mama ye no de obe boa ye wa bamu no mu nyiri firi ho. That is the nature of this world. Awurade brame enko brabe fa wa hotefo ko ma obi ya hunu ne ho no you asem ni yo Yohane Suboni atade a wasa kura wonya bi yomani ntoma wasana enwoma boso ebo na sene the belt enwoma abo skin na bonasene wasana duane ade ntutu ma ene wura mu wo ti asam ni yo wo wuna mu wura mu konya bebe bi ntutu ma wo bon to fam tam wo tete ne ntaban onya wo a no de abona to anu ahwie wo na ka ho na masa wo kwa yi wo wan so gban kwa ma nko yi wo look at the details ahotra nyame krofo ahotemfo fam frikitio abofo ni ho ti asam ni ti Yesu na munkura ni nkurase asana Yohane Suboni be yi wo no kasa dia amani a obehunu e wo wa sa beef e mo na obe e wo no hwa amani a obefamu wo obanim ensa na onya wo no bi anom e onya katekire ni ntutu na dia afra wo no awe san na fufu o hwan ko bedi fried rice o hwan ko bedi o to asama ya kan sakia kabanku tutana mabusu a Yohane Suboni ko bedi nso hwan ne boafo de oni boafo bisanya me tu asami yi Lucas ampati dumiensa ipa benye ska dia sponsor footballs dia crack condom dia bobo jaman dia sponsor ye mebi games akopo banyankopon hini ho asam de nipa yi ni asampaka fo no kwafo no sofa wade beba na nyanwanwa sa na wiase wetie oba ne die mna so ne die anye no Lucas ampati dumi asaw wase no ne nam nkuro enkurom eni nkurase e kyerɛkyerɛ so for the dia me sa bere wada akre ko bo nsam gem awurade be kwese odakọ ote akatu achi ne manidi ye bo bedi achi ne manidi nkwade sabo sabo katra mo hina kra no date so bo ko bo nsam gem so bo ko amani hunukurom so bo ko heaven mo mfa wo mo ho ye bo bedi ka sakase am bedam ne hiamo wudi sa waka no kwara wunya bo wafo nti wo bedi tro ubu nkofo afaso awie ye beba odo obi akatu abebre no Yesu na munkuro ni nkurase wo nyame de yanke nkurase ho beko amanfo huna mane amede Nyankopon do meba wura ho na masha minam hopo ti asami yi asase pon kurana se na wo villages ana wo hunu se de adwuma ni sitie se de ni party bi sitie asami yi duruba bi ade wo be bi eji sa odane ma akra no ochase te ni santi atofo bebre mpen kurase na aruade na afrewa woni mu adwuma wo ye na oni ba bi a wo kɔ so so aruade so fa adwuma fo bebre mra adwuma no ebere ne beso ti asam yi wose na odi nam nkuro ani nkurase e kyerɛkyerɛ na onam so kɔ Jerusalem okokuru mu so obi se ne sai aruade wona wo beti wo mo eye kakra bi ana sa se mbusa wo yi ya obi busa ya ne ko twinkyere mu bebre bai e ma Yesu kyerɛ mu plan se nipa nkwa tam da so Mami and papa who tell me. There are some of you who come in. There is a time for you. The better you don't know who you. To don't want you so airborne. If they have fun to whom they are true. Somewhere I will be silent. And the trade verse 24 by was in the years to catch her all the side. Mom put it sorry upon Tatu. Mom put it sorry upon Yet, a purua. Wouldn't him in fact as a drum and swamp from a purua. Wouldn't him in fact beer, a lobe of butas, ginseng, and some drink. And the sun sound won't him in the stamp and 12 inches or more to move on. Sakwa ya kwantia won't him for obeying tower chinko. What are some I come? To do what you think of forward your one. Moving some of perhaps your come. A quite good say it takes only one person. You are somebody. So about no Kunubakwa. What's the Bible say? Matthew 19, verse 3 to 4. Was it now open yet in your nubium? Our fall. No, only a near Honambako. No, me a Honamco. Tiaware for dear. Mutifio, Motukayo, Mudademo, Bibia Moyam, when Yankupo whom away one body. Tesadia or nine when such your nipodium. Sa Yankupo so I have me no bacco. And Tiaware for dear to be fast up. A quite shot, so I for Becosa. But who we have enforcement to contractor. Tiasamio, somebody who would you in a panic so. That is a load of sin. Continue loading crofon cocomuso and fanfasa. We bad bacoson. A package of drums on team. Crofon cocobu equita on Sanifa. Abusum conya so soon. And a first on crofoy and uncle Fukurum eduti. Well, who near my boss would be in Faquams? What does American? No, yes, you can't play Dragon for say. Won't grow for alpha solo. It takes so pray. It was a moon pray. You have to force yourself there. To have the call, next to them. Have the call, Yakoko. To your family, you have the call. And you will be as well as your homework until you say. Was a pray. That means I never be honest and in my own qua. Leave them. Mamma said, why you want to wear pan when you eat what causes a maybe with you and just a one sour mother said, why you we part when you're my boss. Also, any now, you know, Kofokunum, a child said, what power, yes, what problem? What big problem? Quite on Koso. Yes, was semi and this one get one. Who do what? Na Yesu moja no free Calvary people so if you send ya so moja di tigu boni no so say shame na wasa boni ni nyina tigu fom na moja di jaro eyi boni nyina firi ho e say what me wura sa akwa be ya no so ti asem yi Matthew 7 verse 13 and 14 wasa mum fa kwan ketwa no so the kwan kese no wo yire no me 5 e kwan no so enso ho hawo wo be koso a quancasiano, a bosom coina, and a busmuti, a comfortabia, now say, quite so to bet my faswaco. Tiasamio, a quite son chapatas son, can you already sandal me to be? This young thing of someone chose and Sanya, to one casa, the air we do. Tiasamio. Bad is not what my swat the upper Pancasian. The Bible said, and was said, it is all deep on it. Let's ask how you're free. Who come me padis to do, and so that's how you're free. Who you say it to, and so that's how you're free. What's that when you are chosen to afford them all? And so that's how you encounter one in just say, we are free, we won't talk, and I walk. So we didn't worry, I'll be for the answer. Pancasiano and the call saying it was say a question was you. No, our prep on a chair, Pansua, or Tusu Yaoko. The very wise. Or Transamerican. Yeah. You have a preacher, not that people. You can't have your so much. Quite a first of the wood have in you. when you people here in this here asewa and you Obama kingdom who asam ne beka o ta asama kan ase to be very wise we ase when you na be kona wie ye na beka Yesu Kristo ahenie no so ahenie no ye bo hu dawuro no a wo pese obefam ya wanka so set time ato class no nipa de sani wa set time o me ena de bi ntimi nsakara manenya kakra o ye kakra finish apem o timetable no ni Nyankopɔ de ye pewo finish apem no ya wo se e be twere ansa ni Nyankopɔ temu amari e ye ne se kyera nko ada kope 2 Peter chapter 3 verse 8 wo de o se finish apem na wo be sakra because finish apem no wi ase be sei sa na wo hu no Bible so ono no nim no ne calendar ne timetable no so no 1,000 years no e ye ne se kyera you can die at any point in time life. Very careful. Krofobi etwobon kwaji asese ba na ne obuni wiase bi. And the glory says wiase say no kwa bomba ya nti ewuo pese de ewuo ti twa nkofo ko. Me bia me preaching si bia mu no almost every preaching God has given to me. The ewuo ene nkofo hwe so hye ayem fanto ho edi gum kira manfo. Say he dia to Hedi akosu ya brabo. Ti papa wo fanya nso kaka. Mame, ti won trust. Wo di abati ma ba nyumre ro. Yesu se pre. Wan ka se jeja wo ho. Heaven kro. One force what you can. Ni pakura be twa firi so. Ko hwe bi ma brabo ne se de ebinum kunu no mu si hya wo mo so. Ni pa ne sakara kwa sore. Ko se me manko. Mama say one pere unko papa usha ho kire wo fam na we say the condition is clear ye ne tete ha ye no kanyam sam no so wodi mtibia ya kom ya ruade hu ye mobo o da so kura yi mu no ka wo de be ketua bi atra ba bi ha be ko enye pan no eni kosu a ye de awura mu ne akatie si wo se ba be fa bam Paul se Nyankopɔ hi de nya dibie no ono Tima mo pesa mo fa heaven free monto fofofo no you lie back Peter don the moja ni wula ho you had to woni charity kiwi o da ba come nsam I'm telling you for the pray wo kore ni ba chiu man fo bi di wotam o dress e wa dress kama se Kristo ni ba no wi asefo hu wa yeso ye kura fi ni ba Woman who come on some law. What do you na brabo kojim? Kedi onu ayi na nim ni na nyeti. Te se patu. Oh, sa no man. Wo no se ne ho fe. Ese ne wa nyame ani munyam wo. Amen. En kopi de wi ase ye no wate. Mo mo to pane ye, mo nko. Mo sisa bi skirt no mo nko. Mo tika o no penti o mo mawere e no manyeti. I say you, Mamma, dress, Mamma, with the dress according to the Bible. That's how you fool account. The bishop, there be a metacotu, 2 Kings chapter 9, verse 22, and verse 30. So, shall bow or this animal will be us. The first year, young Scott. Just another one, you be. Yes, we could have seen you bar. Yes, me. Now, 1 Peter chapter 3, verse 5. Bible says, a man conqueror Sarah, Mary, Hannah, Ruth, Esther. Woman, your Musa could be formed by one. A bit of yas from my 42 for the boy. It is said you had the fool. Somebody Bible says, Sarah, man conqueror for the table. What was this? You are conquer him. So I tell you so. Christo ni bao, look at the nature of dress on the co. So the catcher is a Christo some no akumum. But that would be young dress in your dihuno. Maybe I become young fat to watch police me, you're not tired said you do so police me. What be NS, you man, you're tired said you do so NS. There's somebody you. Obi a school near. Na carry a son, they was a play with a school. That would be the first time I did work on. And so, who says that they were dressing her? Who bet my predict a Juma way? But that money attack the excess about them. So I was in a 2-2 me, the dress and excess way 2-2. Or borrow now, Batman, the hook now who for sure. Don't give me a country at the same time, I come, so my bond say a Jamani. Who do I go? Sure. Timami, Mammy, I fucking so some numbers all heaven. Sako, we are dressing ways, I was so in the city. Let's say we are so many do at table. Bible say, praise and heaven. Obe who obey your power. See, I can't perform better. You but don't know. I mean, you know, what till you pray now home in self to go down. Then I'm your sick. Ghana, Yakupo Dunti, and your boatman, Yakasao. To watch on one to baby near the number 2. So why would you want to be yourself? And you wow problem. That's all I have them. Radia do not have to me, yes, you bet him your bob. How about munitions in Bible? Don't ever be able to tell you some number, Evangelist Paul Lewua. I mean, fancy women, I mean, what? 024 117 1896 024 117 1896. Evangelist Paul Lewua, my personal number. No, the person we are sick, a track over here. So the people know you're not here, you can't play more for me, Kuyamianko. Ha! Mompio! Go sorry, Muna, sorry. Said the people be a Jaw. Says I say we are Senocrano. Have a Libra defense is so simple. Genesis chapter 6, verse 8. Bible say, no idea, Onyanko Ponimu and Tom. Well, ya Tomo, and Sunyanko say, Fawawa, ya Bata. You see it? Some hawkers are done, no food. Did them the fucking so for 4. Chris Onisia Taiki Toebia was a medallion to a 3D. Yes, who come at you 24, verse 12 to 14. Was it not a Bumuyama Dawson? A trouble to one Panobejo. A man near Dawson, a Bumuyama, who call officer. Office one. Director. Manager or Tion. Ya don't office one. Or bar or Pano of Jamai San or Mojuma. A Bumuyana Dawson, be a office one. Who calls off for more? A bit €2. Abumuyana dos, a soft for me so funk for room. Who call him for more, a bit 2 abosom. Who call footballers more, a bit €2, and then you pay a cosy part. You say you good son. A bubble told me I know I'm not trying to be a spouse, a bit €2. Says a Muyana torso. Chabadu Bono, Mom Prince and Heaven, or Prince in some gym. Near me didn't be called Jim or Prehon. You are the meal and water. Said you are the P and my Hunia Mepino. I may have been Clear Studios. So I didn't know in my water. It's only the bar. Cabana, the one Casal. So you are someone who can protect you. Strive, mommy, force yourself there. Until you get better. The kid will be a no Pamabu. Yaraki to have been a papa. See, here, I want to get to have been a Pamabu. Crawford, you want to rock a cow. Now, once I'm a fucking country on a chance, I got about him. Peter is interested in your bonus and you. But tell me, what you're the profiler. So, disciple, but telling you. You're the second one already and the skin massive. I don't know when say we are white the skin of life. You're white already and the demon so. Amania Ben, I will see also, we shall we what jobs for it to see. And I'm in a hotel, and I will be a mess, and I'm away, I will be a man, and I will call us. Open have your code where you want. Yes, it's a prince and all. Can be the Bible book from you. Be very careful watching. When you start to more opportunity, no one can kutawa. Mammy, fight. And yet, some days a snibber call heaven. So the sourdough and some you never come in some gym water. Papa be one of our problems. You shall say a treatment, if you're bad, mawa. Sasa, Bible says so ko ware foforo so a ya ware say Jama ase wote ho sa na ase wo ha yes Bible says prediction heaven that is the nature of heaven Satan be hawo wodim say the whole city wodim adimonyam and just heaven I can't describe heaven mean to me indescribable heaven wa can't remember first in heaven ya sami yo o my pai mame for so ko what Papa, for so long ho. And so for na me yire ha me, na me hwe udiabo. Oh, in house na dey o ha lot. O dey me tam no kwa na eko, ma me nkwa me nsam so. Mo mprension ne protein anu. Pono no mu swa. Wo ye trimu da won ko. Amanfo fight na eko. No mo bi mpem wo hwe fo entwim fo ye fono so. Was a pribi. About for precaution, any pa pribi. So, yes, so far one and chow. Me, when you retire so, you had to go, you would dim to me. Would have moved to me. And maybe, ants, maybe, and the Biane. No, on your wobby and we are no, no, they can some. What they force you now? What the fried rice are we a coconut one and Fanta, a count some bread. Who dear go? Abra to go to heaven abra so yenkolasam no wa wayam animu adom de so fa wa ya adaka etimi fa sono ne yire adaka etimi fa wiasem wo nyina mienu adaka etimi fa dipa nwotweka ho uko bun ya no wura mu abepai sa abra be chen so ni ho wa fight wo ya adaka ni na so sel ko so boda wo to tibi kan sere sa adom na ba nti mete ho twan adom ni nti adom na de wiasefo ye na wo ye bi so de why wo de de why woni kan sani apata sha wonom hwe wi so da so tia so dem so pe hem yakọ wade ma onyan swate o man no nya ko hwifo man o amenkere wade wadi sem ha wade hu yemobo hwe kristofo bi abra bo so de ko heaven no gate na no e be yire pa sha abro sen kwala sam wafa yesu o nsumi woni ate hadisam etiedu no bako etemo no so wo se na adihunu bia ene de oye achiwade na odi atro ansem kura adihunu wo se jiwo na wa twe wo budin asa ogwamabo enkwan womanum no wo ma wa twe wo budin ewo Jesus Christ enkwan womam ibusa osa hene se sia udinda o se de udinda bia ba ho apetese ho udinda wi foso udinda ntonya ma ne kwaku firi so Peter no ko kanyam sem ba ye senchale Yesu se he Peter no mani age Yesu se he miracles there what kwai be very careful, don't get deceived. To be sure so for be o se etimi ye senchale ni nti o mo de ho mo ho na no mo ye nkola ma me miracles no odi na bro nsamo nya miracles Satan onye nsankyerane udiago oba mususa na bo mbetimi de adifo atofo betimi de nsankyerane an convince hom ye pe ka heaven asem nya miracles asem ya asem ni benkaza nsankyerane odi nyame tumi na ya nyew e good na so mfa nsankyerane mfa umura heaven what only miracle that takes person to heaven is the miracle of salvation in case the blood of Jesus. You see, yes, it's a picture of one in here. So, Luke chapter 10, verse 17 to 20. It takes so dear trail heaven. Namiko Gusu registered and call for. Also, Chapter Oh, Mobopa. Now go for Gusu training crop for those who are in Sanko Yatogu. The assembly nurse near war hospital. We are hospital Juma. You super park at all. A Wadeba. Rather catcher where they say name a Juma Mumra. The Radia Busa said Juma Mumra until 2 minutes the naming of permission. Lucas and Potibinians. What beba be fana de akọ tie mo pressure ne protect ya nu mami nko Hebrew for ngo mami kire wani e be cut time emre so God's timetable is different from who papa who tie me or timetable se me da so si mo mpere me wani mame fight heaven ye kro no ye nkola asem anya tiri mu de ye nwenta so test determination e de nkrofo bi fa mu Hebrews chapter 11 verse 32 was na de kwa de na menka biu Paul na kasa yo na etien na menka biu because no wakasa for Moses ho verse 24 was na didi na Moses nyini ya no one person be friend Pharaoh baba no yi se oni Yankopon man be huna manne a chen se obete boni mu de enatia bi hallelujah obu Kristo ahohora se ahunya kase esre Mizrim ahunya de obu Yankopon emu se obehuna manne e wo Yankopon mu esre se obenya japade wo wiase efi se o hwe akatua no hey wo hwe akatua you look at the price in heaven. That's a wise person. What's up? Judean Joe, Moses and Pet. So my friend Obama, no my tongue, no my dear, no my Dublin Cruises, Casa Cassium, Nahi or Hene, with Tiapa, Cabinia, who be home, near this Chicago woman, Sabia, Yabubi comb, then to make Tiapo some fat Moses is share in Pet, in Formalia. John chapter 6. Verse 14-15. You be fire Yesu akosi no ene. Na de wiase ha japade ama Yesu so what? What so twen ho kope ba bi hye. Papa mo ni na ho, wo be pra apɛ ha japade. Na so ko Luke chapter 16. Luke chapter 12. Luke 12 verse 16 to 21. So japade a wo hye ha. Wo do ani ato so nti wo pu Nyankopɔn ho ne ma. Because wo ba nyame mu a wo ntimi ntwem pana. Wo ba Nyankopɔn mo ntimi sisi obi ntɔ mo nsase. Oba Nyankopɔn ma wontimi nkwabo som so oba Nyankopɔn ma wontimi nware mienu wontimi nware miensa oba Nyankopɔn ma wontimi nya de wo honam no pɛ de nyame pɛ na abɛyɛ nti de saji wo sɛ wonsoma awurade a awie yɛ obɛbrɛ pa sikani ni hyehyɛ japade bi saa ma no ho Nyankopɔn describe no so yɛ kwahya. Luke chapter 12 verse 16 to 21. da na bebre si kasa asɛ atemdidie wo nie ne di atabo quotations na de ma wo mpɛ ba abrokan kare ho na wo ka de wa twere ho kwase a me nko kan kyerɛ wo sɛ wa twere ho kwase a me mfa nyansa meso de obeyi di afiri mu obeyi di afiri nkwango mu me preaching am ya sam na me yi ba ko no be free because I so nipa God will take my name off from the book of life. The sam djuma hunu ma anya na anya dan to say me ka no kore kyerɛ wo pa be kuma me nko to kyerɛ kwase a wo ha me ntimi nko ka sɛ me yi kwase a na firi ho di nyansa ndi abeso o tra sɛ ba ya ka no. Be very careful. You are doing whom about what? Sure. Moses was a good for my Japan. Me force e be hia me mewura heaven ya me pe. Because of your Katiano. No tracy by no de be see verse 32. Hebrews 11. What be see 32 was here Paul no akasa fa Abraham ho, akasa fa Abel ho, akasa fa Enoch ho, akasa fa Doma kan Noah ho, akasa fa Enoch ho, akasa fa Sarah no ho, akasa fa Jacob no, wa tresia no de ba be see be say fa de na menka. So menka Gideon, Barak, Samson, Jephthah, David, Samuel. E de di4 no anwo asem ho. Enka da je be bobe. Kasabre yi kabinya ka mo nam dia kansa ma aka no. Was a woman, I don't know Judas. I had a could do the fought over coin. Who does over pray Abrabo Meboa? Then Casa will be costing in an among contrapao. Abrabo the more things among no moon the Munomoko. You have boobies no moon the Munomoko. Almost fighting. The assembly was a woman of Judas. I could do a hideous what was Kunim. Some say Jata Bow and wine and noon. A sea Jatano Jata Bana Udana Meboa, a Kaya Bana Udane, a man who Bana say, oh, Yapeboa, open heaven, Alco, Mom Prince and Ho, Mom Prince and Protection. What would do more that to me? Yet say your honey or trade is able to a doom, to say the air fish. Well, my neighbor, Awurade hu mo ba utirim ye odadodo tie edumo je to mi edane nkanta no enya ahoden mu ahomre mu ahoden aye okun mu ahodenfo eka ananafo epasi agui ema ensa ka obo awufo a wo ba wufo a wasoriye na ebinom so wodo bo gu atopre wotense ba waka na se wo se ne wa mpe oje na wo mu ensa aka wo sori a eye kere so na afoforo ehunu anim gu asede wo ta se na se ene ohwe ye hwibi empokere ene diemu nanso wo si wona bo ene owan so pai wo mu bi mu mama he pray what about fight to enter into that kingdom. We are saying betum the kasi ane awira ho we are saying the world is going to be on fire. We are never to we are friendship. The word me show we are there and many pound to among kwandi and kwaji ha mon president portrait mu was na me sem sha oni papi na we wa share no to me make up unti mami to me our interest was one to me sikani brandi ajabainti was one to me bema our be brandi was one to me bebrebe pe mo share so one to me for no ma no ma bebre kwan you are saying sika ba ki bebre aware ba ka bebre agu wo ba pe ba shane so ntumi wo se free sir time no ni verse 25 wo se bra fi wura no e be sori atopunu mu no eno na mo be fi ahye akire na mo bo epunu mu se owura hini yan ma me don do that. No bebu am say mo de minnim de mu frɛ awro hosem ebre na dro minnim de mu frɛ ebre na dro mi wo twon kwagye sada e kyena na sakra ade kyena na sakra o kyena na masakra ade kyena na sakra o ma menye wo ya ansa wo tutu kwagye sada ebre de bebe fie wura na beto pronum time fie wura no beto pronum na be gira punachi ewurade hiri yan fi ewura hiri yan ha wose ado na mo be frase akase yadidi ne yanom wanim communion yi asore ne yadi communion da bia so ne wompra yadi communion da bia so ne yadi tro ayaka wo ya bra bom so ne yadi communion ne yadidi yanom wanim yesu wa kire mo ntere so pan yati preaching e wa FM stations ahodo wose ano na be ka kire bo se what the preachers bebrebe ti communion was on them and so star what that so temper me what kind of person are you to the bed have sakra ha we are say you be very careful in life no they are dangerous in life and they say we nim da wo bewu and so what the one kwan sesetena adeche what do ade nsakra sesetena adeche bisana adeche afisende na masakra who diago would the name diago a few was as a pa asa to so kuta won kwa onyansam sha a few na bi baba o be topunu bi mu be tia bi wakyerɛkyerɛ borɔno so nyankopɔn asɛm wate o wakyerɛkyerɛ mmɔnten so pen mmɔno so pen what preachings upon preachings messages upon messages so da so tia yakam wakoma nyɛ ɛwɔ yɔnko ho asɔfoɔ mmienu makoma nyɛ papa ho wodu pɛ heavy akɔ wobɛbrɛ agu David sɛ sɛm deɛ mumu yɛsie makoma mu a kamempa ibom pa awurade wonti wotu asɛm no sɛ yesu sɛ ɔde obi yɛ aka ɔkɔlɛ sɛ koraa wɔmpɛ Matthew 5 verse 20 ho eba ekosi verse 20 ko se se wo ba e do aye de eba afore bo chia ho na se ho kai o so obi wasem tia wo atun boni tia wo bi a Fire the Abu saw them and one for the end. Corner the Bacron Cobom, the son of the chocolate. Which is here and sorry, Sonia Man for Yaka. Subanye, Abu Mwe Pa, Ube Bregu. Yes, what Poakuma Sinkao was a member for Akuma Mame. Be very careful. Be very, very careful. What's the watch trying? Suddenly, Pabacao. But the boat takes you now, the Tirana, a fish and the China massacre, and I declare, and I'm how? Would you judge out to us? How? Was it no back country? I was saying, Minim, you move it. So, Fred Jamanso, so Fran Toya Maso, San Toku free the do your Juma, comfort them one do your Juma, who to know, and none your power, who to know. Be very careful. Sha. Was somebody a minimum of a friend? To one casa no name baby of free. The Danko for Chrono. What did Danko for you? As I say, won't you? What will be the Yamanu? What can will be? You would have a flow. Some free me so. Mamma, you had the Anthony now. To assembly you. Your bottom row on several occasions. Come on, that's all. Here, yes, you have two. You go Genesis chapter 17. Genesis 7. Sure. No one bought the row. Wakasa 120 years. Ya kanya mshafri yankole hem. Ya kim. Mamu wale records ahodo. You see how serious we are in the preaching of the gospel. Mama he say oye bia o abaya they say oye bia o. You see yourselves as a one father. Or the topunum e bra na so. Or the can't say bad. No topunum we are the country Jesus say na me Roma asofo. So now go Jaban kokuom. What the Bob say yes you. Afendi yaba o. Ya kida ubono afendi yaba. That man no we team. Let me say Tilam Cruises mu de san hoko. Apamada kasi ho. Ya wasanka president wulabu no koye politics. To assembly yo. Apamada kasi ho. Ya wasanka hemfu bo wulabu enso na de ya party deba ceremony. No we gusu bodawu. We to one was ho. We to one was ho. Brebi ameta zakao na member edin kula en confirmly emrebia en petabia ni chichede chameleon abosmako tre odi nyinya a free forest abewura ndo wadakam na president de la cruz em kobo nsamuche masa kabana basakra safoni yebusia foni sabo no wadakam Christ e purna obetum. The key is not the property of the family. How would the neighbor be abroad? There's so couple of years, that is a rapture, Sino. Mamma was a booty. And quite here, as far as they to a home. What has American? I've been sacred as far as they to a home. And the two baby Hebrews chapter 9, verse 22 was in Kabia Sardinia and Odimoja Teho. Said the American to him. And he said, Moja Fibu Ama, Boniface Suma. To yes, what be Moja Neguamon. For Tiasami, she said, oh, baby, yes, but yes, once and yes, Yabona send him, Robewamo, yes, Robewamo, was you night, was you a name, Ewamo. What it was several years. What had I or was a woman found, or better domain? Or better diabo, or booby diam amenu. Asore bawo wo ba ko so si amanfo wo di apafo ba yaduma tuntu omoka bo hu awie ye pa da wo bora ko ama mebeni nkusi nipa sabi wo mu ni bibi di no wo mu dimirike wura no wadaka ahemfo mpanyimfo akase tete nkonwam bibiragigi ada wo betopunu or two never toss to heaven. To assembly, and the annual for play, according to Safon, no baby, no go out there, no as I suffer. Sure. time. Genesis chapter 7. Was in the Rode Catcher and Noah said, what do you fear you now? Monkwada Canoe. Somebody don't know what. Tim. Mamma and Papa will tell you. So you go for and you saw or top room, Dumini Hobby and Bobruni Hobby. Come here, Sessa. I didn't know the Moja Hebrews 9:22. I said, Moja Hugua Ma, said Mradotiano, and Brasunsu, Moja Hugua Ma, Bonifacio Ma, to Tiene. And the years of the Shemoja Guama, as I won't penny. When you're Bonifacio da, I send the other song as I come. When you're Bonifacio da, that means say, Sadia Mradotia, Moja Hugua Ma, Bonifacio Ma. And to say, Bonifacio years to the own pedia, while do Moja be trashed, that will be the time of Antichrist. Sadia Mradotia. And who's a young Sabian say, over Tanasi. Now the poor years to Moja way, every hour time, ultimately did no more free, will be up on your police for Timber Channel. Not to be the free, Moja the just mammy, repent, Sakrabi for abortions. Sakrabi for by you seven. And your man 7 makers. Free. Now say, eh, damn, I will say, Ube Jaya. Antichrist, remember, and then you obey him. And be seeing and supper. Pruno Betum. And no wonder we are Kakre no atopun. The young no border won me 120 years. A one kitwa, more a window wadakam, then you patched it. Ha! Now, dear Noah, Bora Dakan. Now, verse 13. While Yankopo who's at time national, I will peer no what you remain. Verse 13. Was a Sadayam and Noah, and then a ma, some come near Yafet, and Noah, a year, and then a Mayeranum, me and son, Echo Adakanumu, no me 8, Sabredan, why you have a 16, was an a woman, one or by no. No, any idea, a Muakubu, and a buy. Before we call him on for heavy Sumo. As he California to will be to a woman, or mobile papa. We are telling Sika on every way. To moon to moon, the Binumudi, the Tiria. The Kunkumuni Padis Kabru, a bit in Toka, a Tiayaka. We are some no mediapo. A bit in say to a bit in Crawford, or do obey Juma, or be Buafaso, or be Sue on Mount Capre. We Tiaboson, a bit Sayaware, a bit to be before you be here. Ah! We have found for your door. Was I here about your sound coin? Will be a two cushy in a year, actually in a year, at Mampam in a year, or and a year, a cura, then a year, Camino, Abosmacotre, and a year, and cheer in a year. Some way you are quite that cabin, then you put that can one on my sound, or be a bitch, or be a cover, or coin Jumaso, or Conavariaso, or any Riane, or be answer, or be a busy episcop, and more so bold at the cabin. Hey, I was Yankopon, Cano one and a ma, a goon one. Now, or to Punum, was not Tunum, or this affair to heaven. Who will play, would you play a cocofa? Yes, we can't have a pilot. Just me. Genesis chapter 19, verse 16. Jump on to whom be actual, or time or so at it, who be winter. Yes, it could and set a time amount. Those who try to repent at the 10th hour, they die at 9:30. Procrastination. What the two said? To reassess all the are. Over two pruning. To know 10 quadrisemua in Primwakoma. Why? What 10 quadrisemua in Primwakoma? Genesis 19, verse 16. Was in a watching China and I see him. Lord, above for now ready, every trade to Sodom and Gomorrah. And Yankupo whom mobile. And Wakofa above for your Bessie. Are they actually no more come secret as a lot? The entire bar and your thing you ever catch all. Crow in the brasso. My many brasso be trying to touch me. Papa the brasso. The Bunafaso to say you budia. Lord, what are we now the Befienti? Young Kumbi, your secret to macho. So Abraham can Abraham so bompire am a lot. Paya trust the brebes 4 or 5 times. Blame you come to us empires. To gloves, you cannot crack all. So when your man be ha. o ansew bi wo ha Genesis 19 verse 12 eba o nkrof abusua bi wo ha pia homa twinsi abontan kotem kire wo bo na kuroi entiemu so omo bra so e be trigger to kuroi afire the whole kingdom yenya nipa tan okuom ha ya omo ya tan na efo tumuntumu fo kwa lesbianism fo kwa hwe oba adwaye o de odo saye wase che bema na submission hwe de odo saye oba ma wadwaye masa is it not demonic nya bayisam so oba fa one can be what fashion le banche ana say ayi bi no de won ase bi dem pentua is it not demonic papa pa yimu obutu akola be se nfie nsoso report some fool say ti de wiase aduna dru na nyanwanwa yesu so bible john 1 verse 10 to 11 ho o se ne wiase amfa wiase so anhu yesu oba ne diem nanso o wiase dada nanso wiase anhu no tuntimi nhunu yesu amfa wo science dem die wuntimi nhunu yesu amfa political laws and rules yesu yamfa wiase so nhunu what you say the blood group no bi ni wiase tini jini pam go nya ba ma na nyinsa no be very careful tuntimi mfa biology uko chemistry mu a nhunu yesu uko physics mu nhunu yesu is by faith na de be hunu yesu te so de ngoma sua tina manfo bi si Nyankopon ni ho na Psalm 40 was ododonchi obasia nipa oboro kwasia so ene se na koma mu mposa na Awurade be yiri ho adi akero tabu na nso ye tabu no so ye awaye din na obeyi ni ho adi akero dako se oti o wiase ana wo ho ana wo ni ho no ebere no so bi to de sua ngoma na nya wo se de eba odam ha you are me Noah bought the uro dominamfa nipa 8 the whole world nipa 8 ben for bebre the nso de start say eyiri no painful fruit tia so nyame ehunu mobo bere bia be kan akola nga Nyankopon hu mobo flabi wo nyina off se bere no so Nyankopon mo buru hunu no to atwa tina me se enkoje expiry date da so na wo Nyankopon tim the Lord so uncle for you happy kokobo da uro chom ye be say on the Lord it is your mountain chiama musafo mumro se de mani Abraham musafo me tin fifre ofedia amamfo Lord nsam na ko say obi a odi few afi ko mu hofo nti atwe so fo ihu anika be enemere so de hwa na betima jan brake so fo ihu anika na na dzema ware na meta ware ase na mire so de hwan na betime dai meta ware so ma ntasman to so a be ma na be de wa hwe be de manya be ma ware na amanfo de twi obosi guso na omo da na nkan ne jefi wi obi apampam pai na na so bi apantan pai na butu ahemfu na tiesi wo hini bi boso e wa konwa no so pem no bura konwa no ofiri ato akire odo mo di sua nyansa se nyame is very dangerous tu asami yo e di love for them obanya domo Bible say wo mfiri kuro no so kuro na ebe say wo mfiri so nkon Bible say wo twentwe wo na ase ana ko for so wo nsa kai wo mfiri nko ye be say ha hwi wo musi abontan so wo ntwamati wo nko wadu obu fira die no oka verse 17 oka say janeje wo kra nkwa wode wo mu fira die no oka say janeje wo kra nkwa waji bebre but heaven ko no ye wo nko awasem oje na bebre ye nyina ye kwa asori o but eye ankoren janeje wo kra nkwa maame tinkase obi si won som nti wo so won som nkase wo kuna nkwa so nti wo so nko fundaka de besi wa ya nwuro kun ko tun sha ho wuti asema ya kana sai to be very careful ware ha ya de ho ti na obi sha wo so sa ni sante wo so won som nyame wo bebre aguda ko ni sra nyame ma wo sa wadi hu mobo won kai janeje wo kra nko le bre na so ha wadi hu ni pa bobo bi je be bompai wadi hu ni pa bobo Matthew chapter 13 verse 30 Yesu mani nyina mumu nyini nkodu wo twabre no ebre ni beduru ho adifo atrofo bre ne beduru ho problem nko so mu bunkofo mfa so yidi mpieto ne ayasini bre ne beduru ho Matthew 7:21 was here dano nipa bebrebe beka se Awurade man fa wodi anyansa nkyɛde kai mu free me so nko no ba te bre no so a adom ni hobiem bre no tu a adom ni hobiem ntutu nkwaje nhye da wate na asɛm eba no ɔde mfie pirisa pem ya Awurade aru sada ko wate ti wanka ga hwe abeka se ebɛkyɛ nsa na Awurade aba ebeya mfie apem nsa na masakra but Bible say ɛkyerɛ nkwa wo nkwa betima firi wo nsa anadwi yi ko da yi ni de besi Awurade ma onyansa wate we can feel Yesu ma wo boni bia ni wa wa ya odimi fa boni nchawo de be no wa boni pe no wa ye mo jani so powerful say wo be firi akoma ma no ho afiri boni a wa ye wo wo bie wa numa Romans chapter 10 verse 9 and 10 akoma no de gidi kotere ni mu na no no de pai mu ka konkwanji na be pai mu aka oboni ya wadi wo ko to bia ni ma kire Yesu na wa jani afiri ho wo se nne nkwaje be ya wo dia pame sakara wa dwe wate demfa Kristosomu ni yo ho anam kwa asore so ne amamfo ya aka kwa asore kwa wo ko be di bone no emfa di pa nko heaven ednipa ko bu samji ti asem ni to be very careful so be fa nyanso be de ba be kanfo Yesu ma ho ma pega sem la nasu anim wo pa no afa wo mpa ya ka wo aho na me sere Awurade ma wo se Awurade hu mo bone fa nyanso ne dwane de okra nkwa Awurade me de wa se so wani mo yam boy so na mu tumi no ado ye so akasa kire waka kire se bibia woni bere o na be topunum wo be topunum ti be so Awurade bi e wo mani wate Awurade bi e wo mani no ba me gina pulu na chi wanka se bi hunu yanka e ma obi ntwintwan ne nkwaje so Awurade ndage mre yi bere obi tie me bi re ni mani hunu yansa wo nyane mra wo nchae o ka ne bone nkyra wo na moja no so no so bi wo na ni free bone no wo fa wo se na Awurade e na dwenkwa Awurade me da wa so tie me o Jesus Christ to demunti amen.
Your true time ebusia yankopon nhyiramo epa so you new to this channel epa ocho click subscribe button so na here sa don man yi mienu bi epie ewa na pempem a empia click so na wo wi a na wa click like button so na wo ja comment ewo video na say we ya sa anyoma we ya eboa ama channel no so ekonenimu se epese yankopon asem no etumi ko wi asa fa na ni na